Hello children, how are you all? Yes, in the today's class we are going to solve the competency based questions. In the session number 1 we solved questions from 1 to 10. In the today's session we are going to again solve the multiple choice question, that is question number 11 to 20. So welcome you all to the session number 2. Now, before we proceed with the questions, I request you all guys to subscribe my channel, like the videos and share the videos to your friends. Yes, let me take the first question now. In solving quadratic equation, one of the value of variable x is 233.356. The solution rounded off to two significant figures is. Now, if I round off the given answer, that is 233.356 to two significant figures, what should be the answer? You have given with some of the options over here. See children, whenever you are talking about the significant figures, you need to remember some of the rules, like all non-zero digits are significant. All the trapped zeros means what? The zeros between the two non-zeros, okay, two non-zero digits are significant, and the initial zeros, that is nothing but the leading zeros, are never significant, and the ending zeros, that is trailing zeros, are significant if they appear after the decimal. Okay, so if they appear after the decimal, so here in this, all the digits are significant, all the digits are significant, all the digits are significant. So over here the zeros appear after the decimal place, they become significant, but the zero is appearing here soon after 3. So I can say in this one the answer is rounded off to two significant figures. So the right answer is 230. The right answer is 230. Clear children? Yes. Now let's move to the next question, that is in the adjoining figure. Okay, in the given diagram, they have given you a diagram over there. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Here is a right angle. Okay, it's a right angled triangle. In the adjoining diagram, AB is x centimeter, this is given as x, BC is y, and x minus y is equal to 7. They have given you a relationship between AB and BC. And the area of the triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square, the length of the AC. You are asked to find out what is the length of AC. Children, pay attention. Right, here options are given to you. Now, first of all, you must know what is the relation given between x and y here. X minus y is equal to 7. I can say x is equal to 7 plus y. 7 plus y. Since in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, that means what? It's a right angle triangle. So, using Pythagoras theorem, I can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So now I don't know what is AC is. So AB I know it is x square and plus of y square is equal to AC square. Since you are asked to find out the value of AC over here, I am getting this expression for AC, and they have given you the area of triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square. You know what is the formula to find out the area of triangle? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So I will consider BC as the base and AB as the height. Right, this is given to you as 30 centimeter square. Half into BC is nothing but y and AB is nothing but x. So I get here xy is equal to 60. Xy is equal to 60. So now in place of x, I can write this one as 7 plus y. From the equation 1 I can call it as. So this equation of mine becomes x, if I replace it by 7 plus y into y is equal to 60. So here I can write this one as 7y plus y square is equal to 60. When I express it in the standard form, I can write this one as y square plus 7y minus 60 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation which is in standard form. You factorize this one to get the value of y. So y square is equal to, here 60 is the answer, I mean the product of A and C, that is plus 12y minus of 5y minus 60 is equal to 0. So y is taken common, y plus 12 minus 5 y plus 12 is equal to 0. So I can write y plus 12 is one factor and y minus 5 is other factor, which are equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 12 and y is equal to plus 5. This is by zero product rule what I get. Clear? So the negative value of y is ignored because side of the triangle cannot be negative. So I will go with the value of y. If I substitute the value of y in the first equation, value of x, what I get is x is equal to 7 plus y, that is equal to 12 I get. So I am getting x as 12, in the sense this is 12, this is 5. So now 12 square, if I write 12 square plus 5 square is equal to 169, that is 144 plus 29, okay, 25, that is equal to 169. Square root of 169 is equal to AC. So that is nothing but 13 centimeter is going to be AC. 13 centimeter going to be AC. Clear children, all of you? So your answer is C, that is 13 centimeter. Answer is C, that is 13 centimeter. Now let's take the next question now. If P, Q are in continued proportion, then, okay, you know what you mean by continued proportion. If you don't know what is the meaning of continued proportion, I have made a video on properties of proportion also. You might get lots of things from that video. Please watch it and learn. Right. So if P, Q, R are continued proportion, then what is the relation what they have given is right. So first of all, you need to understand if P, Q, R are in continued relation, continued proportion, I can write P is to Q is equal to Q is to R. So then happens to be Q square is equal to PR. Why? Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Okay, Q square is equal to PR. Where I can get relation out of this? See here, I get it as a PQ is equal to PR, which is not equal to this. Here RP square is equal to P Q cube I get. Okay, RP square is equal to Q cube, which is not equal to this one. And over here what I get, Q square R is equal to P cube, which is not equal to this one. When you observe this one, RP square is equal to PQ square. Right. So here when I cancel this P and this P, I get RP is equal to Q square. RP is equal to Q square. That is nothing but this relation what I get when PQR form the continued proportion. So the option is D, that is P is to R is equal to Q square is to P square is to Q square. Clear children? Okay. So now let's move to the next question, that is question number 14. The ratio of diameter to height of a borosilicate cylindrical glass is 3:5. If the actual diameter of the glass is 6 centimeter, then the curved surface area of the glass is. Again, they have given you option, obviously, since it is a multiple choice question. See, you need to understand, children, how actually a cylindrical glass look like. Okay, so this is the cylinder here, and you know that what is the height, the perpendicular distance between the two circles, one at the bottom and one at the top, is called as the height. This is nothing but the height, and they have given you the diameter over here. The ratio they have given you, the ratio of diameter to height. Diameter to height of the cylinder is 3:5. I can take it as 3x is to 5x, and also they have given actual diameter of the glass is 6 centimeter. So which one we have taken it as a diameter over here? 3 centimeter is equal to 3x is equal to 6. I can write x is equal to 2 I'll get. So if I want to find out what is the height, height is a 5x. 5x is equal to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 I get. Okay, 10 centimeter and 2 centimeter I get it. Clear children? Now what they are asking, the curved surface area. You must know the formula to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, and if you observe over here, pi is retained as it is, so I don't replace pi by 22/7. 2 into pi into r. What is r? R is nothing but see here children, what is diameter? 3x is diameter, they have given you. If diameter is equal to 6 centimeter, that is 3x, that is 6 centimeter, radius is going to be 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeter. So here I will write it as 3 and h I am going to replace it as 10. Clear? So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 10 is 60. 60 pi centimeter square. Centimeter square is the curved surface area of the glass. So where is the option, children? Okay, option number B. Children, keep in mind, whenever you are writing the answer in the exam, do not forget to write the option as well as answer. Okay, option should also be written as well as answer should also be written. Okay, so now let's me take the next question, that is 15th question. If the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 3 is completely divisible by, if it is completely divisible by, what does it mean? Completely divisible by, there is no remainder. Okay, divisible by 2x plus a, then the quotient is x square minus 1, then one of the value of a is, right? So first of all you must understand here, right, this question belongs to remainder and factor theorem. Here they have given you the option for a. So the dividend is equal to, you must know, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, okay, plus remainder. You must know this relation, children, which is also called as a Euclid's division lemma. So now here dividend is what, children? It is 2x cube plus of 3x square minus of 2x minus 3. This is supposed to be equal to 2x plus a, and the quotient what they have given is x square minus 1 and the remainder is 0, because it is completely divisible. Now what I do, I'll multiply the divisor and the quotient. When I multiply this both, I get it as a 2x cube minus of 2x, right, then plus of ax square minus of a, plus 0 can be ignored. So when I compare this relationship with the given dividend, that is minus 2x3, see, a is what? A is coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x square here? It is nothing but 3. So they are asking you what is the value of a. So a value of a should be what, children? 3, because coefficient of x square is a. So coefficient of x square in the dividend is 3. So my answer is 3. Okay, so MCQ means what? You need to save the time also, children. You need to save the time and arrive at the correct answer. So now let me go to the next question, that is the 16th question. If a polynomial in x, that is x cube plus 5x square minus kx minus 24, which of the following is a factor of the given polynomial, so that the value of k is 2. Okay, so already it is given to you that the value of k is 2. Now if I consider this polynomial f of x is equal to x cube plus of 5x square minus of kx minus of 24. Clear? So k, since it is given to you as 2, I can directly write this one as x cube plus 5x square minus of 2x minus of 24. Some of the steps whatever I am showing in my working can be avoided if you are perfect, if you practice more. I am here solving all the steps so neatly so that you can understand it clearly. Clear, children? Some of the steps can be avoided over here, since it is a MCQ where steps are not important, answers are important. Okay, right. So this is the polynomial which is the factor out of these 4 options. Which one of these is a factor? So actually when I'm asking you to find out the factor of this polynomial or factorize it completely, what do? You are supposed to do the factors of the constant number. Factors of 24 you can find out plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, okay, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 12, and plus or minus 24. Okay, and also plus or minus 8 also will come there. Clear, children? So it is very difficult for you to check and substitute all these numbers in the place of x or in the given polynomial. So what I do is I will better take here x plus 2 is equal to 0, divisor to be equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. When I find out f of minus 2, then I will get this one as when I find out in the place of x you need to substitute and you need to find out how much is f of minus 2, in the sense here minus 2 the whole cube plus 5 into minus 2 the whole square minus of 2 into minus 2 minus of 24. If I do this one, I'll get this as a minus 8. Similarly, if I take x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 3, and I find out f of 3, then I will get this one as, when I substitute that one, I'll get it as 42. So I'll take the third option, x plus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4, f of minus 4, if I find it out, I'll get it as 0. So means what? X is equal to minus 4, that implies x plus 4 equal to 0 is the factor, one of the factor, because there are three factors, children, since it's a cubic polynomial. So x plus 4 is one of the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so the option is C, that is x plus 4. That is the right answer. Don't keep on substituting all these values. Better go with the option and substitute, then you can find out the answer. Right? Yeah. So now let's move to the next question, that is 17th question. If A, they have given you a matrix over here, A is A and B, B is C and D, then which one is the correct statement? So only matrix AB is possible, only matrix BA is possible, both the matrices AB and BA are possible, and the third option, both are possible and AB equal to BA. Now, how do you identify whether the multiplication of the matrices is possible or not? See, matrix A is A comma B. Always remember, children, whenever I am writing the rows and column, so rows should come first. That is called as order of the matrix. Here 1 is the row and 2 is the column. So 2 columns are there. So order is 1:2. When I am writing the matrix B, that is C and D, here number of rows is how much? How many rows are there? There are 2 rows and 1 column is there. Okay, when I'm talking about the compatibility of the matrices, see the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Always you get confused, children, whether it is RC or CR. It is always RC. Okay, remember RC, Royal Challengers. Okay, so now here multiplication is possible. That means what? AB is possible. AB is possible. Right, children? Now let me check for BA. So BA, whether it is possible or not. What is the matrix B here? That is C, D is matrix B, and A is A, B. What is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 cross 1. Order of this matrix is 1 cross 2. So again multiplication is possible. So what is my conclusion? AB is also possible, BA is also possible. Okay, so but you must know that commutative property, okay, commutative property does not hold good in matrix multiplication. Okay, matrix multiplication, whenever I'm talking about, commutative property does not hold good. So AB cannot be equal to BA. So my third option is the right answer. That is, both matrices AB and BA are possible. Since commutative property does not hold good in matrix multiplication, so AB cannot be equal to BA. Right? Not necessary to find out the answer. Right, children? Okay, now let's move to the 18th question. Here they have given you the matrix A and A square also, then the value of K. K is one of the element of matrix A, and also the options are given. Now let me take A here. What is A here, children? 6, 9, minus 4 and K. So when I am talking about A square, that is nothing but A into A. So that matrix is going to be 6, 9, minus 4 and K multiplied by 6, 9, minus 4 and K. So when I multiply this one, I can say that 6 into 6 is 36. 9 into minus 4 is minus 36. Then 6 into 9 is 54. 9 into k is plus 9k. Right. Minus 4 into 6 is minus 24. K into minus 4 is minus 4k. Then minus 4 into 9 is minus 36. K into k is k square. So this is my a square. Clear? Now this is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. They have only given. I am not saying it is given in the question. Clear? Then the value of k is. So now this itself, the first element itself becomes 0. Then here 54 plus 9k, I'll keep as it is, minus 24 minus 4k, then minus 36 plus k square. So now what I am supposed to do? See, this is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0 equal to 0, when I equate this one to 0, that is fine. Okay. When I equate this one, see, 54 plus 9k is equal to 0. So then I can write 9k is equal to minus 54, k is equal to minus 6. Suppose if I equate minus 24 minus 4k to 0, then I can write minus 4k is equal to plus 24, k is equal to minus 6. In this I got it as minus 6, here also I got it as minus 6, but the confusion where children go wrong is minus 36 plus k square is equal to 0, k square is equal to 36. Since it is a quadratic equation, k is equal to plus or minus 6. Plus or minus 6, but it says here plus 6 also is possible, minus 6 also is possible. This plus or minus 6 holds good only for these children, but when I take k as plus 6, it doesn't hold good for this. Okay, so it does not hold good for whatever I'm talking over here. Right, if I'm talking about this one, it does not hold good for this. It does not hold good for this when I'm talking about plus 6. Right, but here when I take about minus 6, it holds good for this also. See, minus 6 the whole square is plus 36. Plus 36 and minus 36 becomes 0 again. So it holds good for the minus 36 plus k square equal to 0. So the my final answer is going to be k is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is the right answer. Clear? Plus or minus 6 you get it, but it does not hold good for 54 plus 9k and minus 24 minus 4k. That's why I should go with the k is equal to minus 6. So this is my right answer. Now let me go to the next question. The question is, if the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n square minus n, then the third term of the series is, right? So options are here. Children, whenever it comes to AP, you must know that Sn is equal to Sn is equal to you know the formula. You know the formula, that is sum of n terms of an AP, m terms of an AP, right? So now Sn is equal to sum of n terms of an AP. An is nth term. I must understand one thing over here, children. Sn minus of Sn minus 1 will give me An. Sn minus of Sn minus 1 will give me An. So here you are asked to find out the third term of the series. I need to find out A3. So A3 is equal to S3 minus of S2. That is my A3. S3 minus S2 if I do, I'll get it as A3. So what is S3? Listen children. S3 is equal to 3 square minus 3, that is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. What is S2? S2 is 2 square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So third term is going to be S3 minus S2. 6 minus 2, that is nothing but 4. So third term is going to be 4. So what's my right answer, children? Option B, 4 is the right answer. Okay, you need to remember the formula also. This is the very important relation. Clear? If you remember that relation, the question is going to be very, very simple. Correct, children? So now let's move to the next question, that is a 20th question. Which of the following is not a geometric progression? Right? They have given you some option. out of these which are not geometric geometric progressions. Clear, children? Now look at this. One of the relation I must know, that if A, G and B are in GP, then the geometric mean G is square root of AB. Square root of AB. So this should be the square root of product of these two terms. Then A, G and B are said to be in GP. Now let me check with this. So here when I find out the square root of 1 by 3 into 3, I'll get it as square root of 1, that is 1. Yes, I get 1 here. This is GP. This is GP. Now I'll check with this. Square root of 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 is going to be square root of 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by 5. Yes, look at this, children. This I get it as 1 by 5, that is also GP. Well, then take the third option over here. Look at this. Square root of minus 2 into minus 8, if I do, I'll get there is a square root of 16, which is nothing but plus or minus 4, but they have given 4 as the answer here. Yes, 100%. This can also be in GP. Now here if you observe, square root of, obviously all of them are there. The fourth option is the required answer, which is not a GP. But let me check. Okay, 2 into 4 is equal to square root of 8, that is equal to square root of 4 into 2, that is 2 root 2 I am supposed to get, but they have given you as a 0. So what is not the geometric progression? The third option is not the geometric progression. So this is the right answer and the required answer. Yes, children, I hope so that today's video is very useful. Then in my next video, again I am going to continue with further questions of competency questionnaires. Till then, take care, keep working. Bye bye.